Like Thanksgiving dinner, but cooked in a skillet in under 30 minutes. Perfect for a festive weeknight. Cook up a 20-ounce bag of shredded hash browns. If they're not already seasoned, add a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon each of black pepper, and of garlic powder. Transfer the cooked potatoes to a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. Wipe out the skillet and heat a tablespoon of oil in it over medium-high heat. Add a pound of ground turkey, a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Cook until browned underneath. If using already cooked shredded or cubed chicken or turkey, you'll just heat it through here. Then add a small chopped up onion and cook until it starts to soften, just a couple of minutes. Stir in 2 cups of thawed out mixed veggies or any leftover cooked vegetable. Sprinkle it all with 2 tablespoons of flour and stir. Drizzle in 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Cook and stir until thickened and simmering. Then you can optionally add in a half cup of heavy cream or half and half. Stir to heat it through for 30 seconds. Take the skillet off the heat and top it with the cooked potatoes. You can either just let the steam from the turkey mixture rewarm the potatoes, or you can pop the skillet 6 to 8 inches below the broiler in your oven to let it get as brown as you like. Okay, now who thinks I should add cranberry sauce to this? Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.